सो मैंने FRM पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट किया था कुछ 3-4 साल पहले, एंड ऑल द क्रेडिट गोज टू यू फॉर दैट, क्योंकि आपने इतना अच्छा पढ़ाया था एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चन बैंक स्टडी मटेरियल वाज रियली सुपर। तो सर, आप पिछले 10 साल से FRM पढ़ा रहे हो, so have you noticed a change in pattern of students? मतलब पहले किसी और कैटेगरी के स्टूडेंट ज्यादा थे, फिर चेंज हुआ कुछ?
Okay, so thanks for the kind words. Yeah, there has been a change, right? So, first of all, more college students are taking this exam, which indicates growing popularity of the exam, at least in India. Okay. Secondly, exam has become more industry oriented, which means you can't mug up stuff and expect to clear the exam. You need to know more about the concepts as they are practiced in the industry, right? Also, the popularity of FRM across various sections of students coming from commerce, statistics, engineering, economics is seeing a gradual uptrend, and I predict that uh, in the next 3 or 4 years is going to increase exponentially.
Okay. So one more thing, sir, जैसे FRM बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया है, आपने खुद ही बोला कि more students are doing it. So
Mhm.
there will be a huge population of students जो graduation खत्म कर रहे हैं और उनके पास FRM completed है. So graduation with FRM, और अगर इंडस्ट्री क्या उतना रेडी है कि ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे पाए, इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ FRMs को एज अ बिगिनिंग लेवल, फ्रेशर लेवल अपॉर्चुनिटी दे पाए?
Yes, of course. In fact, I had a discussion. In fact, I had discussions with my friends in industry who are also recruiters, and the feedback is that there's a huge demand but not enough supply. And that's the first thing which you should note down. Also, a lot of consulting firms, they have opened a separate risk management division to cater to the special needs of banking clients. Right. Third, a lot of companies are looking for people with specific risk management experience. Right. This is more from perspective of those people who are already into the banking industry and are looking to shift from one department to another. Last but not the least, with more regulations, right? Banks are expanding their risk management teams as they need quality staff who can help them to comply with these regulations. So there's definitely huge market for it. If someone wants to get into banks, finance, right, FRM is clearly the first choice. Should clearly be the first choice.
So we just need to guide students in a right direction, and they'll be
Exactly.
able to find an opportunity.
Exactly.
All right. So basically, so in which different categories we can divide the job opportunities? That job opportunities which are available, so we can layer them down. So what are those categories?
See, the profile is clearly divided into two categories, as in case of any other job, which is freshers and experience, right? So
Hmm.
freshers, they can be absorbed across teams at entry level position, right? Whereas in case of experienced guys, they can look to work in more specific teams like market risk, credit risk, and it gives them the good bargaining power. A lot of government jobs require individuals to have FRM certifications to move to the next level. So again, there is no fixed answer to this question, but yes, depending upon how much is your work experience and what kind of work experience you have, there is plethora of opportunities. But for freshers, I would say they should not be tied up to certain departments, and they should be looking to work across the different sectors of the banks to get a holistic experience of learning what they have already learned.
Yeah, actually, that was about to be my next question. So we see that companies do often work experience a lot. But most of the opportunities which are lying there, they are always put a range of 0 to 3 years of work experience. And obviously, if we say that a guy having 2 years of work experience and a guy having 0 years of work experience, the 2 years work experience will be preferred more, maybe, right? So freshers will not be able to find a job, or it will be really difficult for them. So what they need to look for while starting up, like they should look for the profile, they should look for the salary or the structure of the company. What should be the best thing they should be looking upon in the starting?
See, freshers should not, look for money. That is the first thing which I would suggest, right? And they should definitely look for the profile, because that is where they can really build up their career, right? And I would suggest you may go for a brand, you may go for a startup. That is up to you, right? Both have their own pros and cons, but definitely profile is something which they should target, right? And in my view, just having FRM will also not suffice, because see, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of candidates who clear FRM, and in India alone there are a lot of candidates, as you mentioned, that there are so many freshers who are passing out, right? So even if you look at certain areas like Delhi or Mumbai, you will see lots and lots of FRMs graduating. So what is that one thing which will distinguish you from the rest of the lot, right? So in my view, a fresher who has done FRM, right, he should also do some basic technical certifications like Python, R, Tableau, and because these are in huge demand, and they can really help you to, what do you say, combine your experience in finance with technical know-how. Okay, then there are a lot of companies which look for techno finance roles, right? So having certification in both the areas will go a long way. In fact, I would give you a very recent job opening in one of the banks where the organization was looking for candidates in their risk management team. The job required the candidate to build models in insurance, banking industry, and for that, basic knowledge of Python, R, or SAS for that matter was highly desired.
Yes.
Also, just one more point here. My personal experience was when I was being interviewed at Credit Suisse, right? I practically didn't have much experience in finance, right? And that was in my early days. And when I told the interviewer about FRM, he immediately asked me about swaps and other financial products, which you must be knowing, right? And I was able to turn the interview into topics which were areas of my strength, and as a result, I was easily able to sail through the interview. So, in my view, it is incorrect to say that companies only look for freshers. As what do you say? They don't look for freshers, right? Because there's a lot of opportunities right there. So people who have right skills, they'll definitely get the job.